Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check the capacity or size of your water heater. Whether it's a 50 gallon, 25 gallon, 30 gallon, this is super easy. Let's take a look.
All right, YouTubers, downstairs in the utility room, and we have an A.O. Smith Pro Max 50 gallon water heater, as you can see here. And anytime you get close to a water heater, you need to read the safety instructions. Become familiar with the safety information on this sticker. And it is made in Mexico, and you can see features of your water heater. And in our case, the capacity, again, this is a 50 gallon natural gas type water heater. So as you can see, it just takes a few seconds to pinpoint your sticker that has all your valuable information and features. So hopefully this will help you. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome. Every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers.